Dear all viewers, this time I greet all those who have seen and heard me from the country and abroad. Today I have brought a new video, Figure Analysis Continued. Figure Analysis Continued. The following discussion illustrates anatomical variations. Circle the numbers that apply to your figure. Record your figure in spaces A through N. This information is helpful in developing your personalized basic pattern set. B. Back types. 1. Ideal. Spine has a soft curve and slight protruding buttock. 2. Flat. Straight back causes buttocks to be prominent. 3. Rounded. Dominant spine curve and prominent buttock. 4. Dowager's hump. Shoulders fall forward in the extreme. C. Back, bust, chest relationship. 1. Ideal. Bust, buttocks protrude in a harmonious relationship. 2. Narrow back, large bust. 3. Full back, small bust. 4. Hollow inward chest. 5. Pigeon, a dominant chest bone. D. Hip types. 1. Ideal, pleasing proportion among waist, shoulders, hips. 2. Heart shape, protruding roundness from waist, legs tend to meet at crotch. 3. Square shape, square out from side seams. 4. Diamond shape, widest part of the hip bone emphasized by a smaller waist and shoulder. E. Arm types. 1. Ideal, flesh and bone in perfect harmony. 2. Thin, bony appearance, with prominent wrist, elbow and shoulder bones. 3. Full arms, flesh starting to fall from top of the arm. 4. Fleshiness, bone structure covered with flesh, flesh has fallen from top of the arm. F. Abdominal, thigh. To compare, have the assistant view your profile. If your shape differs from the examples, record on the personal measurement chart under deviation. G. Shoulder types. 1. Ideal, shoulder slope is approximately 25 degrees. 2. Slopped shoulder, more than 25 degrees. 3. Square shoulder, near 90 degree angle with neck. 4. Muscular, neck to shoulder. 5. Bony, dominant clavicle. H. Shoulder, waist, hip. 1. Ideal, shoulder, waist, hip in harmony. 2. Hourglass, created by a small waist. 3. Straight line, slight waist definition. 4. Wide shoulder, narrow waist. 5. Narrow shoulder, wide hips. I. Leg types, 1 through 4, identified by their names. J. Figure stance. The model's stance affects the hang and balance of garments. Pattern adjustment will be required. Dear all viewers, this time I greet all those who have seen and heard me from the country and abroad. Today I have brought a new video, Landmark Terms. To measure accurately, you must know where the landmarks are and identify them point to point for specific locations. The following landmarks identify the parts of the form that are referred to when measuring from one landmark to another. Numbers refer to both the front and back wherever indicated. Personal fit. The instruction applies to models that will be measured for drafting the basic patterns. 1. Center front neck, center back neck. 2. Center front waist, center back waist. 3. Bust points. 4. Center front bust level, between bust points. 5. Side front princess, side back princess. 6. Mid-armhole front, mid-armhole back, at level with plate screw. 7. Shoulder tip. 8. Shoulder at neck, shoulder neck. 9. Armhole ridge or roll line. 10. Plate screw. 11. Armhole plate symbol. Key CF center. Front CB center back. BP bust point, SS side. Seam SW side. Waist SH shoulder, HBL, horizontal balance line. SH tip, shoulder tip.
Dear all viewers, this time I greet all those who have seen and heard me from the country and abroad. Today I have brought a new video. Measuring form and model forms are sometimes imperfect, with measurements not always equal on each side of the center. Check and remark the side seams if necessary. The shoulder line may be misplaced, causing a sleeve to hang out of alignment. This problem is corrected at the time of the fitting. Drafting depends on measurements taken from a form or model. Measurement must be taken carefully to avoid fitting problems. Record measurements on the form or model measurement chart found in the back of the text. The chart can be removed for duplication. Personal measurements. Reference to personal fit, shown in italics, will accompany some of the instructions. Preparing the form for measuring. Figure 1. Bust bridge. Cut a strip of cloth. 26 inches. Fold edges to center and fold again. Place across bust points ending 1 inch past the side seam. Push pins through to secure. Trim unneeded length. Thrust pins through bust points. Mark center line. Waistline. Replace waistline tape if damaged. Figure 2. Pinhead guides. Thrust pins through shoulder tip at the ridge, or roll line, mid-armhole at level with the plate screw, and 3/8 inch below the center front neck. Figure 3. Armhole depth chart. To locate armhole depth, choose the measurement from the armhole depth chart below that corresponds to the form size. Measure down from the armhole plate and thrust a pinhead at the location. Grade up or down by 1/8 inch for smaller or larger sizes. As with establishing a set of measurements, they are to be test-fitted with sleeve attached. Make adjustments if necessary. Size 3x4, 3x8, size 5x6, 3x8, size 7x8, 1x2, size 9x10, 5x8, size 11x12, 3x4, size 13x14, 1, size 15x16, 1x8, size 18, 1x4. To determine cap height, measure up from armhole depth to shoulder tip and add 3/8 inch.